In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset your Norton Vault password. Whether you're setting up a new password or recovering access, this guide will walk you step by step through the process, ensuring that your personal information remains secure and accessible. Let's dive in. First, open your web browser and navigate to the official Norton website. It's essential to ensure that you're on the legitimate site, so make sure that the address reads norton.com, as this protects you against any phishing attempts. Once you're there, locate the My Account section at the top of the web page. Clicking here will prompt a drop-down menu or redirect you to another page, depending on Norton's layout updates. After accessing My Account, look for the Sign In option. This is where you'll need to enter your Norton account credentials. Enter your email and password. These should match the credentials you used at the time of your account registration. If you're having trouble remembering your password, use the Forgot Password link to reset it. For now, let's assume you have access and can sign in. Once you've successfully logged into your account, you'll be directed to the Norton home page. This page serves as a hub for all your Norton services and protection features. From here, we'll move on to the next step by clicking on My Protection. It's a section dedicated to your security tools, including the wonderful password manager we're focusing on today. Now that you're in the My Protection section, look for and select Password Manager. This feature manages your passwords and other sensitive information securely. Here's where we're going to make the necessary changes to your Norton Vault password. Once in the Password Manager, you'll see a Settings option. Give it a click. The settings are where all the customization happens. We'll need to be here to find the option to change your Vault password. In the Settings menu, you should see the option labeled Change My Vault Password. This is exactly where we need to be. Click on it. You will then be prompted to enter your current Vault password. After that, you will have the opportunity to enter a new password. Choose a password that's strong and unique. Consider using a mix of uppercase letters, lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Once you've confirmed the new password, make sure you save the changes before exiting. It's crucial to remember or securely store this password, as you'll need it to access your vaulted information in the future. That's it. You've successfully reset your Norton Vault password, ensuring that your information remains secure and accessible with enhanced security features provided by Norton. Thank you for joining me today. And if you found this guide helpful, make sure to leave a comment or thumbs up. Stay secure and have a great day.